Welcome to the Detroit Corner Store. New Quick Stop Market is one of 800 USDA food stamp vendors in Detroit deemed a fringe food retailer. Of the $450 million in food stamps Detroiters spend annually, 60%, over $270 million, are spent in these types of stores. These government-sponsored dollars are spent on potato chips, Pop-Tarts, popcorn, and other highly processed, unhealthy foods that glut a frightening U.S. epidemic of obesity, diabetes, and malnutrition. So why are people spending so much money in these stores? Well, if you look around Detroit, you won't find a whole lot of options. The city's dramatic drop in population over the last 30 years has generated a sparsely distributed population that has trouble sustaining a traditional grocery store. With less than 10 full-service grocery stores serving more than 900,000 residents, Detroit is considered one of the most toxic urban food deserts in the United States. As a body of literature demonstrating the link between low access to fresh foods and negative health outcomes becomes more robust, public health officials are sounding alarms and national organizations are responding. Through innovative incentives and tailored assistance, government programs and nonprofit organizations are transforming a public health need into a growing market demand. Handshake, a professional marketing firm, found that Detroit residents exhibit a great desire to eat healthy foods, but have little access to nutritious options. The market study concluded that increased access coupled with a healthy eating campaign would significantly increase retail purchases of healthy foods in Detroit. As such a demand grows to meet an already robust supply, a broken distribution system presents a unique opportunity to generate revenues and sustain positive social change. By utilizing the expansive network of fringe food retail, Get Fresh Detroit leverages the largest food distribution channel in Detroit to sustainably, effectively, and profitably green the urban food desert. So how will Get Fresh Detroit leverage the expansive network of corner stores? Well, we tried once, and while I wouldn't call it a failure, I wouldn't call it sustainable either. A brief foray into packaged produce confirmed the demand for healthy food, but also gave us insight into more specific customer demands. The feedback from store owners and customers was consistent. People here don't like to cook. They want something quick, easy, and ready to go. The solution: Get Fresh branded coolers fully stocked with fresh, healthy, and ready-to-go options. Product manufacturers can't justify delivering 5 to 10 items to a store, but if we aggregate and deliver 25 to 30 different products and fill an entire cooler, we can generate revenues that make deliveries very worthwhile. Product variety and volume will grow with awareness. One cooler will become 2 coolers, and 2 coolers will become a mini supermarket section in each store. Imagine a panel like this one filled with affordable egg salads, tuna salads, ready-made pastas, sandwiches, dips, you name it. With 800 similar stores in Detroit and thousands more in urban centers throughout the country, perfecting such a model opens doors to large-scale expansion, significant profits, and immense social impact. As our operation grows and the capital makes itself available, product distribution will bleed into product development, and Get Fresh Detroit, Get Fresh Baltimore, and Get Fresh New Orleans will become the suppliers and distributors of good health and fresh foods to inner cities throughout the country.